Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, ELO for Life, and today we're going to talk about the best moisturizing, hydrating products that you can absolutely have for your hair and for your hair extensions, okay? So let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so the products that I want to talk about today are the best moisturizing products I've had thus far. They're affordable products, and I'm going to tell you what those products are in a minute. But I love these products. I don't even know why I didn't try them sooner, but Target had a sale going on. So if you buy four, I think it was last week, if you buy four hair type of styling product, shampoo, whatever, you get a $5 Target card, gift card. So I'm just like, I was already in the need for some more shampoo and some more conditioner, deep conditioner, whatever, whatnot. So I said, okay, I've been hearing about this Pantene Gold series. Now, I know I'm probably late to the game. I've heard about it, but I've never tried it. So this is my first time trying it, okay? So I tried it not only on my hair, but I also tried it on my daughter's hair, both my daughter's hair. But one thing I want to mention before we get into the video, get further into the video, these are not sponsored products. I did go out and buy this with my own money, okay? So let's go ahead and clear that up. These are not sponsored products. I bought it with my own money. But what I can tell you is, y'all, why didn't nobody tell me sooner? Why didn't I try? I know what it is. My problem is this. I have a tendency of going out and buying products and buying a whole bunch of damn products and not using the products that I already have. So my last throwaway, because I threw away a whole bunch of products, I told myself that I was not going to go out and keep buying a bunch of products just because the latest and greatest thing came out or whatever somebody said. I need to finish the products I'm already using, or I need to be in the need of products. Because we'll go ahead and spend a ton of money on these products, and then a lot of times they go to waste anyway. And I don't like wasting my money, okay? I do work for my money, honey, and I do not like wasting it. So, I'm going to tell you guys what I bought. First thing I bought was the Deep Hydrating Co-Wash Gold Series. And you know what? I'm going to tell y'all this. When I went to Target looking for some shampoo and conditioner, a lot of these products were sold out. Like, literally. I had to go to 2 different stores to get the Gold Series. I had to go to Target. And then I also had to go to, it was Target. And it was also, might have been Walgreens or, can't remember. Some other store. But I know the main store was Target. I got this. Hope the light is not too bright. But it is. Let me get a little closer. Pantene Deep Hydrating Gold Series. Now, I didn't use this on my hair yet. And usually I'll hydrate my hair when I have my hair, you know, when I have my wigs on and I need to get down and maybe just hydrate my hair for whatever. So I'll use some kind of, some other kind of co-wash. But I did use this on my half wig. And I did wash it. And I will show you a before picture of what that looks like before. But y'all, look at this. This is so, it even hot. This damn thing was dry. You hear me? My half wig was dry. Yes, it was. It was dry. Oh, damn, get out. And I washed this with this. And it feels so good. It feels so soft. It does not feel dry at all. I can run my hair through these little curls whatsoever. And even when I'm washing this half wig, it was like detangling it. But my half wig was dry. And if I didn't mention this, I did mention this in my last video, but I'm going to mention it again. This hair that I made is from Synergia. So it's supposed to be kinky curly hair, and we know with kinky curly hair, you need to keep your hair hydrated anyway. So this is hands down was great on if you were trying to co-wash your hair, and it's affordable. So you're trying to co-wash your hair, whether it's your hair or whether it's your wigs or whatever. Hands down, this is a good deep hydrating co-wash conditioner. The next thing I bought was the Moisture Boost shampoo. Now, I did use this on my regular hair. I use this on my girls. And I also use this on both my girls. So, first of all, let me tell you guys this. My hair is like a 4A type, 4B type of hair. My oldest daughter, her hair is like a 3B, 3C, 3B, 3C type of hair. And it gets very frizzy. And then my youngest, her hair is like more of a 4C. Her hair is dry, and seems to stay dry. So I use this. This did not strip out. My hair didn't feel stripped using the shampoo, okay? It did not feel stripped at all. I would just do maybe like 1 or 2 latherings with this. And this is, if you guys can see this, hold on. Yeah, let me get that up there. Moisture Boost shampoo. It was $7.99. And you don't have to use a lot of this either. It really does lather up the hair really well and gets it clean. Now, you know it's naturals. And all of us are natural. My daughter's natural. Both my daughters is natural and I'm natural. So, it doesn't strip your hair. But this is something that I will probably use like once a month. Just to clean my hair real good and get the butt off my hair. So, I think it does that very well. The next thing I bought was the Moisture Boost conditioner. Y'all, this conditioner, oh my goodness. You talking about something that's detangling? It does say it's for dry, damaged hair. It does say that it's infused with argan oil. It moisturizes and detangles hair for instant softness and strength after one wash. Y'all, they are not lying. They're not lying. This is some good conditioner. You hear me? Some good conditioner. This is some good conditioner right here. I love this conditioner. I actually left this on my hair probably for a good half a day. I wasn't going anywhere. I didn't feel like taking it off. So I wanted my hair to be really conditioned. And I'm telling you, this stuff right here, it conditioned not only my hair really well, it conditioned my daughter's hair really well. It is very moisturizing and it does detangle your hair. My daughter's hair, the youngest, I'm telling you, we be fighting with that stuff. And her stuff with this stuff right here, well, I left it on for, I think I left it on for about 2 hours with their hair. Only 2 hours with both their hair. And now my daughter's hair, the oldest one, the one that has the 3B, 3C type of hair, her hair is very frizzy. And it does get tangled. Okay, it gets really tangled. But when I use this and wash it out and detangle their hair with the comb some more, I mean, it was like a breeze. It didn't take no time whatsoever. And I only left it on their hair for about 2 hours. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry because my camera gave out. I guess I ran out of space. I guess I ran out of space on my phone. I am recording with my Samsung Note. So I did run out of space and I had to transfer some videos over to my SD card so I can finish out this video. So it did give out. So what I left out on was this moisturizing conditioner. And how it was very moisturizing. It does help detangle your hair very good. Very well. Very well. And I love it so much. So, and it is made for dry, damaged hair. So I'm able to use this product. Matter of fact, all these products I'm getting ready to go over. I'm able to use all the products today on all of our different hair types. And it works out very well. So that's what I left off on. The next thing I bought was the Pantene Gold Series Hydrating Argan Oil. This argan oil is an infused formula, which it does not weigh the hair down at all. And it does give it some shine. You can use this on wet and dry hair. So, I love the oil as well because with my hair and with my natural hair and with my girls, I tend to do the lock method. If you don't know what the lock method is, it's a leave-in, it's an oil, and then it's a cream that you apply on top of that. That's what I tend to use. Some people tend to do the LCO. I like the lock method myself. So, for our hair. It works well for our hair. So you have to play around to see what works well for your hair. But this hydrating oil, I love it so much. It doesn't weigh your hair down. And I actually use this on my girl's hair. Can y'all see that good? Okay. Turn it. Okay, I did use this on all three of our hair. So I did apply leave-in. And the leave-in that I applied on our hair, they do have a leave-in, Pantene Gold series, but I did not buy that. I already had a leave-in, so the leave-in that I used was by Main Choice. And I'll do a whole video on Main Choice products because I did buy some products from that also during that whole Target sale that they had. But I did use that leave-in. And I love that leave-in, but she has tons of different types of shampoos and conditioners in her collection. But I used that leave-in, and then I used the hydrating oil on top of that. And then I typically like to let my hair air dry, so I would pretty much just twist it up and let it air dry for a few hours, and then I'll take it out and style it. If I have to blow dry it or whatever, I'll do that too. But I'm not sure how much this was. I don't have my receipt. But these were gone too. There's probably about 2 of these left. And I just picked it up because I like to use oil on my hair. Last but not least, I got the flexible wave gel. Now this gel I did not use on my hair, and I did not use it on the youngest. I did use it on my oldest because she has that curly, frizzy, wavy hair. And I like this a lot because it did tame her frizzies, and her hair gets really, really, really frizzy. And it really did tame her frizzy because I pulled her hair back in the ponytail. What I also like about this is that it does not give you that hard, crunchy hold. This is more of a flexible hold for hair, and it gives you definition. So you can mold it for a definition, but it also tames your frizzies and flyaways. But you can still touch it. You can still like rub your hands through it without it frizzing up or without it mess up the definition of your hair. So I did like this. I am yet to use this. So I will be using this on some of my curly hair or my curly wigs. And then I'll let you all know how that works out. But I did not put nothing on this hair because I just cold washed it, and I just put a little bit of that argan oil on here, and that's it, and I'm good to go with this hair. But I will use this and try this on my curly wigs and see, because I do use gels and mousses on my curly wigs, and I'm kind of curious on how well this will work on that. It does say that it has nutrient infused, not sticky formula, so it is not sticky. Okay, and it gives a moldable hold for lasting definition. Now, the hold is not a super hold, okay? It's not a strong hold, but it does give it a nice flexible hold. Has micro smoothers to help tame the frizz and flyaways, leaving your curls touchable and bouncy. So, I did use this. What does it have in here? They have all these names in here that I can't pronounce, so I'm not going to even try. But for her hair, it did pretty well on her hair. So I did like this on her hair. I have yet to try it on my youngest and have yet to try it on my own hair. So one day I will try it. Maybe the next time when I wash my hair or something, I'll try it. But all in all these products that I bought, I love them all. I will repurchase every single one of these products again. I will repurchase every single product again. So if you all have never tried the Pantene Gold series and you are especially natural, and if you're not natural, I would suggest that you go out and buy the products and try it for yourself. I always tell people, try things for yourself, because what works for somebody else's hair may not work for your hair, and what works for your hair may not work for somebody else's hair. But I got lucky because usually when I buy hair products, I have to buy certain hair products for my oldest, certain hair products for my youngest, and certain hair products for myself. And that could be a lot of money. So this is the first product that I've ever bought, the Gold series, where I can use the shampoo and conditioner and the whole nine on all three of our hair types. And that's what I like about that. That will definitely save you some money. So if you all enjoyed my video, go ahead and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my content. Also subscribe to my channel, and I will leave a link down below on some of my hair tutorials, or at the end of this video, you'll see the little pop-ups come up, whatever or whatnot. And if you want to know how I made this half wig, if you missed that, I will also have that end of this video, and I will also post a link to that down below. So till then, you all stay God bless, and I will see you all in my next video.